Today, we will be covering how to calculate the number of days between two dates using a formula field in Quickbase. While formula might sound daunting, this one is a breeze, I promise. By following this tutorial, you'll cut down on manual data entry, ultimately saving time and enhancing the accuracy of your final data. If you need to know more about formula fields, go to the video on the top of the screen, where we explain the basics of how to get started with them. In this example, we have two dates, estimated start date and estimated end date. We want to calculate the amount of days between both dates. We'll calculate that into the project length in days field. To edit the formula of the field, right-click the field, then click the Edit the Field Properties for this field option. Now we can scroll down to the formula editor. We can click into the formula editor to begin writing our formula. Our objective here is to calculate the number of days between two dates. To accomplish this, we can use the toDays function. Let's open up the Choose Fields and Functions dropdown and click Select a Function. Now we can search for the function, or we can narrow down our list. Let's select Duration Functions from the dropdown. Here we can select the toDays function. After you select it, click Insert. Now, let's select the placeholder text in the function and delete it. Next, we'll navigate back down to the Fields and Functions dropdown and select our end date. Then, we'll type in a subtraction symbol. Next, we'll go back to the Fields and Functions dropdown and select our start date. With that, our formula is done. You can save to exit the formula editor. Now, we can see the amount of days between the two dates. Changing one of these dates will update the amount of days in the formula field. Keep in mind that the order of the dates matters. If you put the start date after the end date, you will get a negative number of days. If you learned something from this tutorial, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to keep up with our latest Quickbase tips, tricks, and tutorials. If you're looking to get even more value out of Quickbase, we offer add-ons to help you automate document creation, data entry, client communications, and more directly from your Quickbase application. Visit juicetech.com to learn more about our Quickbase add-ons or click the link in the description.